Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off the automatic screen brightness in your phone. So to do that, make sure you go to the settings app and tap it. Now if you scroll down you should find this option here, display. Tap it, and here we have this option, adaptive brightness. So this is going to try to figure out what the best brightness for your phone is depending on the environment that you are currently in. So if I turn this off, then I can use this handler here to actually select the brightness that I want, and this is the brightness that my phone is always going to be using. So that's how you turn off the automatic brightness in your Android phone. Make sure you leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.